You're sitting at your desk sipping lukewarm coffee when suddenly someone says, neural networks are going to take all our jobs. And you're like, what's a neural network? And why is it after my paycheck? Let's break it down. A neural network is basically a digital brain, not a real brain with emotions and trauma and an unhealthy obsession with true crime podcasts, but a simplified version of how our brains work. Imagine your brain is made of tiny lights called neurons. When you think, they light up and send signals to each other, like a really chaotic Christmas display that somehow results in you remembering where you left your keys. Or not. Neural networks copy this idea. They're made up of layers of nodes that pass signals to each other. First layer gets the info, like a photo of a dog. The middle layers do the thinking, like does it have fur, 4 legs, existential dread? And the final layer goes, that's a dog. Probably. That's it. It's not magic, it's math, with attitude. Now here's where it gets wild. Neural networks learn. Not like sit down and read a textbook learn. More like fail miserably 1,000 times until you accidentally get it right learn. Let's say you want to teach a neural net to tell the difference between a cat and a muffin. Yes, this is a real challenge. You show it hundreds of pictures of cats and muffins. At first, it's terrible. Total muffin confusion. But over time, it adjusts. Tweaks the connections between nodes, just like your brain might slowly realize that burnt raisin is not a valid cat breed. Eventually, the network gets scary good, faster, more accurate, and unlike your uncle at Thanksgiving, never distracted. Now about your job. See, neural networks don't just recognize cats. They write emails, paint portraits, compose music, diagnose illnesses, and yes, even make YouTube videos about themselves. And they don't need lunch breaks, or motivation playlists, or weekends to recharge their creativity. So when people say AI is coming for your job, they're not entirely wrong. If your job involves repeating patterns, analyzing data, or answering the same 12 emails a day, a neural network could probably do it in less time and with fewer passive-aggressive sighs. But don't panic just yet. There are still plenty of things humans do better, like being funny or compassionate, or knowing when a coworker is about to cry and quietly offering snacks. Plus, someone has to build, train, and supervise the AI, and fix it when it accidentally decides that every squirrel is a threat to national security. So yes, neural networks are powerful. They're clever, they're fast, but they're tools, not villains. Unless they unionize, then we're all doomed.